Currently, many Islamic countries are ruled by authoritarian regimes. That means they lack democracy. Is there a psychological explanation for that? An interesting theory comes from psychologist Sultan Califi, which can be found in her ebook Psychotherapy for Muslims. She has examined data about child corporal punishment in Islamic countries and found them to be often higher than in other countries. Based on this observation, she asks whether this might be related to the fact that many Muslims view Allah as a strict and punishing God. Because if they do that, they may be more likely to raise their children in a strict and punitive manner. There is a political theory known as the authoritarian character. In the 1940s, sociologists Theodor Adorno, else Frenkel Brunswik, among others, investigated why so many people followed Hitler. The results of their survey showed that most of these people had been raised strictly as children and had therefore developed an obedient psychological disposition. This is what they called authoritarian character or, similarly, authoritarian personality. Sultan Califi's theory therefore is that the high level of violent discipline in many families living in Islamic states has the same effect. It leads to the strict father syndrome, as George Lakoff calls it. The longing for a strong leader who tells you what to do. Because obedient persons are not used to making own decisions. They prefer being told what to do. This is especially dangerous if people lack education and do not have access to different sources of information, e.g. via the internet. The consequence of this theory is, for those who live in authoritarian political systems and who want democracies, that they must stop using child corporal punishment. But this is only a theory. You might want to discuss it. The Wikipedia page Child Corporal Punishment Laws is a good source of information, as well as the UNICEF data website about violent discipline.